It's me, Wakatrin from 9th class. Today I've got an arbitrary to spill the beans, that is CRIPS mission. So first of all, I'm going to discuss about the background of CRIPS mission. The CRIPS mission was sent to India in 1942. Britain was fighting in World War II and needed Indians' help. India was part of the British Empire and Britain wanted Indians to support the war effort. However, Indians were demanding self-government and freedom from British rule. Britain sent Sir Stafford Cripps to India to negotiate with Indian leaders and find a solution. The first point is 1937 interim government of British and Congress. In 1937, the British government allowed provincial elections in India under the Government of India Act 1935. The Indian National Congress, led by leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru and Sardar Patel, won in many provinces and formed government. And Second World War II. World War II was a big war from 1939 to 1945. Germany, Japan and Italy fought against the USA, UK and Russia. Germany lost and war ended after the USA dropped atomic bombs on Japan. Many people died. After the war, India became free from 1947. And third, Lahore Resolution. The Lahore Resolution 1940 was a big demand by the Muslim League, led by Muhammad Ali Jinnah, for a separate Muslim country called Pakistan. They feared Hindus dominate if India became independent. This later led to the creation of Pakistan. Now move towards the main points. The first point, promise of self-government. Britain offered India dominion status, which means they would have their own government, but still be part of the British Commonwealth. And second, Constitute Assembly. After the war, a group would be formed to write India's constitution with members elected from provincial assemblies and nominated by the princely states. And third, right to opt out. The provinces could choose not to join the new Indian Union, potentially leading to a divided India. And fourth point, British control during the war. Britain would retain control of defense and foreign affairs during the war. Now move towards the result. The CRIPS mission was failed to achieve its goals. The Indian National Congress rejected the proposals because they wanted immediate self-government. And the Muslim League accepted the proposals with condition. But it wasn't enough. The failure of the mission led to increased tension between British government and Indian nationalists. This later led to the creation between British government and Indian nationalists. And it contributed to the Quit India movement. Thank you. So that was my presentation.